Hello, my little friends. Your auntie's here, Auntie Dot. I have a very special story for you today called A Promise is a Promise. Long ago and far away, there lived a princess. On her 5th birthday, the Queen Mother said, "I promise to give you any toy you want." "I want a ball made of gold," said the princess. So the queen had a ball of gold made for the princess because she made a promise. One day, the princess was playing with her ball, which accidentally fell into the pond. She began to cry. A small frog hopped onto the princess's hand. "I can get your ball back, but only if you make me a promise. I will promise anything you like." "What do you want?" asked the princess. "I want you to promise to be my friend," said Frog. "Easy. I will do that." So Frog jumped into the pond. Splash! He got the ball back just as he had promised. "Now we will be friends?" he asked. But the princess grabbed the ball and just ran away. "Hey, what about your promise?" shouted Frog. Later, as the princess ate her supper, she heard a sound. "What is that?" asked the queen. Nothing, Mummy." "Let me open the door," said the queen. "No, please don't." But the queen opened the door. Frog came inside. "Good evening," he said. "What do you want, Frog?" said the queen. "I want the princess to be my friend, just as she promised." "I can't be friends with a cold and wet frog," said the princess. "A promise is a promise," said the queen. So Frog sat at the table, ate his supper with the princess. After that, the princess took him up to her bedroom. "You can sleep in this box." "A real friend would let me sleep on a proper bed," said Frog. So the princess put Frog on her bed. And the magic happened. Frog grew bigger and bigger, and eventually he changed into a prince. "Who are you?" asked the princess. "I am a prince, a witch turned me into a frog, and the only thing that could turn me back into a prince was somebody being a really good friend. The prince and princess became really good friends. They promised to love each other forever, and they did. After all, a promise is a promise. Goodbye.